here, Harry. Come here. Come here, pup. This is my cat. You be sweet. You be sweet. It's my kitty cat. And he will lay you open. If you keep that up, Blitzen, you're playing with death. This poor kitty cat. Blitzen, quit poking the cat. Come here, puppies. Come here, puppies. Come here. Well, come on. You better behave. You better be on best behavior if you're going to get up here with my kitty cat. My cat will slap you silly. It'll slap you into tomorrow. Yes. Can you tell he doesn't really like you, Blitzen? You better leave that cat alone. He's gonna get you. You can't help yourself, can you? Okay. Kitty cat. He did. You see the cat attack me? Ooh, Blitzen. Blitzen, you better not. That cat's thinking about leaving 5 claw marks right across your nose. Okay, it's all over. Good kitty. Good kitty.